Don't put your head in between. Covers just this apartment. And I don't think you're going to be able to see it without trying anyway. It's the gable roof again. It's in the living room or whatever they're going to call it, the family type room. That's the fireplace right there coming up through the cellar. But more rain is threatened again today. I don't know how much they're going to be able to get done before it happens. Here we are on October 19th, and believe it or not, it's snowing out there. They were trying to put on the end of the roof, which I guess they completed somewhat right now there. And everybody showed up today, including the electrician, the plumber, and the cabinet maker for the kitchen. And it was cold, about 39 degrees. And a very strong wind besides. And this is what it looked like, and it feels cold. Well, here we are on December 27th, the first sunny day since I last did any filming. And you can see that they've got the vinyl started here on the front side, and there is on the right side over there also, and halfway up the left side, period. You notice when I finished dictating the last time I said period, I thought I was dictating at the hospital like we used to do in charts. Here's the front door, a good close-up of it. I don't know, we haven't decided yet what color this is going to be actually. Now I guess I'll move around and get some side shots. This is the left side now of the house. And coming around here, I want you to notice here how the guy from the lumber company backed into this beautiful spruce here and broke off that large trunk right there, which was matched with this one right standing right there. You can see the empty spot in it. Felt really bad about that. And over here to the left now is the, where is it anyway? Oh, right here. The post for the TV antenna. I think he poured the cement this morning, made the hole yesterday. That's where our big satellite dish is going to be right there. Hopefully it won't be too obtrusive there. Shot of the back side here. The porch floor is almost complete. Still don't know what kind of a railing we're going to have there on that porch. And right here, yesterday on this hill, we were visited by a deer which came up from those woods and came down and went down into the woods this way, period. Right behind that large spruce down there is a hole for a white skunk. I'd never seen a white skunk before. It just had a small black stripe down its back, that's all. And it's apparently nesting there anyway, or living there. Haven't seen it since. I'm looking back from the other side of the back of the house up towards this. This has all been done here. Still trying to decide in my own mind whether we should put some shitters on here to give this house a little color. Just depending on what color we decide to put that front door. Right now we're going between blue, red, and dark green, I guess. All of them dark colors for that matter. Give a little contrast. Over there getting some snapshots. Just in case you didn't believe me, there's the footprint of that deer I was telling you about that was up here. And it goes over right about to there. Here we are in the right corner of the house. I just wanted to see, in the fall now with the leaves mostly gone, the view of the lake that you get from this corner at least. And over there on the other side is the Newport beach. I forget what they call it there. That's the front door over there. I just want to get some shots here of the sheetrock that these young fellows were just putting up here today. At the front door now, we're heading in towards the kitchen here. There's the back door right there. And here we are with the kitchen and the soffit up there where the sink is going to be right in front of that window over there. This is that little spare room. It's going to be off the kitchen. I'm looking through the door that comes from the kitchen. Goes down to the hallway that goes to the various bedrooms. Our bedroom here, but it's kind of hard to see, I guess, with this closeness. Off to my right here would be the doorway going into the bathroom. Bedroom door going down to the bedroom on the right here, and the bedroom at the end. On November 1st, the siding is all on now. The only men working there today are the fellows who are putting on the plasterboard. It's already on, but these are the finishers putting the tape on the plaster. And over here you can see the dish has been installed there. It's not functioning yet, but it's there. That's our little escort there. And that's about all from this view, really. The men aren't working at all on the outside today. They're still supposed to be working on the porch, but they're not here. This side of the house. Yeah, it's part of our pine tree. The one half that got knocked down is not visible, but you can see where the gap is in the tree itself. Here's the back side from the left. The only thing done in the porch is the floor, which we've seen before actually, but they have dug the holes down beneath the corners here and 3 others in the middle where 4x4s are supposed to be set in about 4 feet. The dish comes out of the house by the garage back door and heads out here to the rear. Here's my famous tree that